You want to tell them what's a green wall and what's a blue wall?
Yeah, I can. What's happening? Nah, but so the reason we do green, so I do a lot of green screen work for my videos and stuff like that. So green is supposed to be better for lighter backgrounds. So like if I'm green screening myself being like outside in the summertime, it just looks a lot better. And then if you're doing like darker scenes, then blue is a lot better.
I got you. Yo, bro, do I have paint in my face?
Yeah, you got some? I got some.
You got something in your nose.
That's real.
Yo, so my boy Daryl just bought a brand new house and he hired me to paint his walls to get his studio up and running. This is gonna be his green room and his blue room. Do we call it blue room?
I just call it film room.
So this is gonna be the film room. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be painting this whole entire wall green and then I'm gonna be painting that wall blue. And the way I'm gonna be doing it is not the traditional way with rollers. I may use a roller, but I got this bad boy. Where's the front of this joint? So I got this Magnum Project Painter Plus. And what this is gonna allow me to do is paint the walls a lot faster. As an artist, you're always looking for ways to kind of maximize your time because it takes a lot of time to do this. So in this video, we're gonna be learning together. We're gonna be working with something that we've never worked with before. And yo, let's get started.
I'm excited to see that thing.
Yo, so one thing that we're doing is we're protecting the carpet floors, obviously. But with this sprayer, I heard that paint can get everywhere. So you wanna make sure that you wanna protect the walls, the ceilings, and the floor especially. Because this is a carpet, if we get paint on this carpet, it's gonna cost a lot of money. Not for me, but for this guy, to get it fixed. So I wanna make sure that I wanna protect it as much as possible. So that's what we're doing right now. This is the unboxing of the Magnum Project Painter Plus. Okay, now before I read that, it looks confusing as hell. What we have here is the spray gun. Alright, this is gonna be this way. This is the pressure. Oh, we're gonna need, bro. You don't have a bucket in here, right?
Uh-oh.
So because I didn't read the instructions and I never used this Magnum Painter's Plus before, we need a discard bucket and we don't have that. So I have to go out to my house and go get one. I'll be back. So we got our buckets and we are ready to get this bad boy started again. All right, so here goes nothing. So that is it for today. We have a green screen. Gotta come back for tomorrow because we got some paint on the ceilings. Didn't want that to happen, but it happened. And some on the carpet. But what Daryl's gonna have here is he's gonna have a green floor, like green mats. So it's gonna cover up the paint in the carpet. And there's not a lot of paint, it's just like spray. But we're gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna do this wall, which this wall is gonna be blue. Do you wanna tell them what's a green wall and what's a blue wall?
Yeah, I can. What's happening? Nah, but so the reason we do green, so I do a lot of green screen work for my videos and stuff like that. So green is supposed to be better for lighter backgrounds. So like if I'm green screening myself being like outside in the summertime, it just looks a lot better. And then if you're doing like darker scenes, then blue is a lot better. And then apparently blue doesn't have as much spill and it's easier to green screen with blue because you don't have to. Green, you get different shades. Like if I have a different light on different sides, it might be brighter on this side, darker on this side. Whereas blue, it's darker, so you won't be able to see it. So it just makes it a lot easier in different ways.
I got you. Yo, bro, do I have paint in my face?
Yeah, you got some? I got some.
You got something in your nose.
That's real. You got something right here too. So I think, bro, let me see. I think your nose hairs are green. Bro, your nose hairs are green.
Yo, we're gonna leave it at that. I'll be back tomorrow to finish the blue wall. And that's a wrap, a green and a blue wall. I tried to use a new technique that I wanted to try. I bought a new sprayer, it didn't work out. I think that's art, right? Trying to figure it out, trying to see what things or what tools work for you and what tools don't work for you. Now I know that you cannot use or you shouldn't use a sprayer indoors. A big reason why you shouldn't use sprayers indoors is because the spray gets everywhere. So if you are gonna use a sprayer indoors, by all means go ahead and do it. Just make sure that there's nothing else in the house or in that room that can be damaged. You just don't wanna ruin anything, right? So that's it. Green, blue, red, blue. Yo, something that I figured out in my journey is that you constantly have to keep evolving and constantly keep trying things out. Because if you don't, you're gonna stay stuck. So if something doesn't work out for you, that's okay. Don't give up. Just keep going. Just know that there are other solutions to your problems. Sometimes you just have to take a step back and see it for what it is. But there's always a solution to that problem. Don't give up, keep going, and I know that you got this.